Hi guys, today we're spending our day off at the swimming pool. It is so sunny and warm today, and we've been missing swimming so much. So we decided to spend our day off swimming and tanning and enjoying the sun. So we are now in our rental that we booked for 10 days on Airbnb, and it's well pretty common for Buenos Aires to have a swimming pool or like a terrace and barbecue and everything for the house or a couple houses, and people gather there on the sunny days, summer days. And since it's summer season now, everything is open and people are enjoying the facilities. So why not do this too? So here is our yard. We're gonna show you a bit. We totally love these blooming plants. Like these pink flowers, they're so bright and make the scenery here in our small yard look so gorgeous. You know, in the sun when you look at it, wonderful. Here is Ima shooting the contents, and this is one of the houses. I like the shadows here and the plants again. Like there are so many exotic plants here that we've never seen before, and they make the yard so cozy and pleasant to be in. You know, like you don't have to go anywhere. The yard is the park. Here is the swimming pool. I like swimming here when it's pretty late, when you can see the stars in the sky. Really atmosphere. Here's Yoshi. He tries to escape somewhere, you know, away from the water, but with some persuasion, he can just come and sniff them. The water is wonderful. You can bring towels here and just lay in the sun, but it's a pity they don't have any sunbeds or sofas, nothing. Thank you guys for spending our day off with us. Subscribe for more travel and lifestyle videos, and see you soon.